Welcome to Balasur's YouTube channel. Before watching the video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget it. Today we learn LCM and HCF part 4 video. Today our topic is LCM.
Welcome students. Now today we will learn LCM. Now in part 3 video I taught you how to find the HCF. Now in part 4 video, now this is your part 4 video. Now in part 4 video we will learn how to find the LCM. LCM. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. Now let us find the least common multiple of a number. First sum, find the LCM of 60 and 48. Now for HCF you found the prime factor. Same here also. Let us find the prime factor of 60 and 48. For 60, 2 times in 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 0. 30 goes in 3 table, 10 goes in 2 table, 5 are 48, 2 table, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 4 goes in 2 table, 2 times, again 2, 2 6 are 12, again 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 ones are 3. Now this is the prime factor for 60 and this is the prime factor for 48. So right here the prime factor for both 60 and 48. 60 is 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Now how to find the LCM? Now in HCF we found the common factor. Here also we want to find the common factor. Let's find the common factor. 2 2. Again here 2 2. 3 3. Now 2 3 and 2. 2 3 and 2. This is a common factor. Which is uncommon factor? Here 5 2 and this 2. These are the uncommon factors. 2 2 5. I'll write 5 2 2. So LCM means it is a multiplication of common factor multiplied by uncommon factor. So that means common factor is 2 into 3 into 2. Uncommon is 5 into 2 into 2. Now when you multiply all this number, you get the answer as 240. Your LCM is 240. So the difference between the HCF and LCM is, in HCF you want to find only the common factor and multiply the common factor. But in LCM you have to take the common factor as well as the uncommon. Uncommon means which is not common. So multiply the common factor as well as the uncommon factors, you get the LCM. If the question is find the HCF and LCM of 60 and 48, you can do both in the same sum. First you should find the HCF, same method. HCF, if you want to find how to find HCF, only the common factor is already given. So 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Your HCF is 12. But for LCM, you have to proceed further, find the uncommon, then multiply the common factor and the uncommon factors. Here two numbers are given, 60 and 48. Now let us find three numbers. How to find the three numbers? 18, 30 and 50. The first thing is you have to find the prime factor. I'll find the prime factor of 18. 18 goes in 2 table 9 times. 9 goes in 3 table 3 times. 3 goes in 3 table 1 time. For 30, 30 it goes in 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 0 is 10. So 10 goes in 2 table 5 times. 5 goes in 5 table 1 time. What about 50? 50 goes in 5 table. It goes even in 2 table. We can take 2, either 2 or 5. I am taking a 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 goes in 5 table 1 time. 5 ones are 5, then 0. 10 goes in 2 table 5 times. 5 goes in 5 table 1 time. So let us find 18, 30 and 50. 18 is 2, 3, 3. 30, 3, 2, 5. 3 into 2 into 5. 50 is 5 into 2 into 5. Here I found the prime factor. Now what is the next step to find the LCM? For this, first thing you have to find is the common factor. First find all the common factors. Common factor is in all the three. So 2, 2, 2. I'll write it 2. 3, 3, but there is no 3. 5, 5, there is no 5. So the common factor in all the three is 2. Then we have to find the common factor of 18 and 30. Common factor of 18 and 30. In 18 and 30, what is common? I'll circle here 3, 3. Then here, no common now. So 3 is common in 18 and 30. Next, 30 and 50. Common factor of 30 and 50. In this, which is common? 5 is common. 5 and 5. I have written here 5. Then common in 18 and 15. Common in 18 and 50. So here and here. 5 is remaining here. 5 is not there. There is no common in 18 and 50. So it is nil. Now what is uncommon? Which we call it as not common. So here, this is not common. This is also not common. So 3 and 5. So we want to find the LCM. So whatever common you got here, all you have to add. For common factor 2, here 3, here 5. Uncommon 3 and 5. Now let us multiply all the numbers. How much you will get? 5 5s are 25. 25 to the 50. 53s are 150. 150 into 3, 450. So LCM you got it as 450. Once again I am teaching you, just listen here. First take all the prime factors of 18, 30 and 50. Then take the common factor of all the three. Common factor of all the three, I underlined here 2, 2 and 2. I written it 2. Now there is no common factor in all the three. Only one number is there, that is 2. Then you have to take the common factor of 18 and 13, then 30 and 50, then 18 and 50. So first take the common factor of 18 and 30. So for in 18 and 30, I circle here, 3 and 3 are common in this 2. So here 3 is not there, so this is remaining. Then common factor in, I written 3, 30 and 50, 5 is common here, written 5. Common factor in 18 and 50, there is no common factors, dash. Which is uncommon, which is not common. This is 3 and this 5. Now for finding the LCM, whatever commons you got it, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5. Multiply all the numbers, you get 450 as LCM. I think it's clear for you. Let's do some more sum so that your doubts will be cleared, because you have to concentrate more in the sum. Let's change the number. Let me take another number 16, 28 and 40. There is one more method to find this. We call that as a vertical method. Now, before we are doing the vertical method, let me find this prime factor method. 16 goes into table 8 times, 8 goes into table 4 times, 4 goes into table 2 times, 2 goes into table 1 time. For 28, 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 8 goes 4 times. 14 goes into table 7 times. Just see, 14 twos are 28, 7 twos are 14. From here, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 7 goes in 7 table 1 time. Then I will take 40, it goes in 2 table, 2 twos are 4, then 0 written down because 0 twos are 0. Then again in 2 table, 10 twos are 20. Again in 2 table, 5 twos are 10. Again in 5 table, 1s are. You should know how to find the prime factors very well. Then only you can find the LCM. Now, what is the prime factor for 16? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. For 28, 2 to 7. 2 into 2 into 7. Then what for 40? 2, 2, 2, 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now, let us find the common factor. First common factor in all the three. I'll underline 1, 2, 3. In all the three, 2, 2, 2, I write here 2. Then again 2, 2, 2. In all the three, 2 is common here. Again I written 2. 2, here 2 is not there. So no common in all the three. No. Now we want to take the common factor of 16 and 28. I'll write in this way. First 16 and 28, what is common? There is no common because 7 is here. So here 7 is not here. So no common. Common factor of 28 and 40. 28 and 40. In 28 and 40 again there is no common because only 7 is remaining 28. 7 is not here. So no common here. Then common factor of 16 and 40. So here 16 and 40, 2, 2. I circle. Then 2, there is no 2 here. Only 2 and 5 are remaining. So there is only one common factor. Then uncommon, which is not common. 2 and 5. So what is that? 2, 2, 2, 2, 5. So let us find the LCM. LCM is 2 into 2 into 2. Any 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times multiplied by 2. Then 1, 5. 5 to the 10. 10 to the 20. 20 to the 40. 40 to the 80. So here you got the LCM as 80. In this way, you want to find the LCM. Uncommon factor 2, 5. Then 7. So 2, 5 and 7. Now let us find the LCM. LCM is 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 7. So 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 2 and one more 2 is there. Into 5 into 7. So when you multiply all these numbers, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 into 5 into 7. When you total it, you get as 560. 7 5 is 35. 35 into 2, 35 to 70. 72 is a 140. 140 into 2 is 280. 280 into 2 is 560. So in this way, we have to find the LCM of 16, 28 and 40. Now let's find the LCM of another three numbers. Now let me take some numbers from practice set 13. I'll take 15, 30 and 90. This is from practice set 13. This is the sixth sum of practice set 13 in page number 21. Sixth sum is 15, 30 and 90. Let us find it. 15. 15 is, we can write in this way, 5 3s are 15, then 30, 3 into 10, so 10 you split it, 5 is a 10, 10 is a 30, 90, 3 into 30, when you split 30, 3 into 10, then 10 split it, 2 into 5. If you are confused, 15, 3 table 5 times, 5 table 1 time, 30, 3 table 10 times, 10 to the 30, 2 table 5 times, 5, 3 to 5, and 90, 3 table, 3 to the 9, get 30, then 3, 10, same you copy this, 2, 5, 5, 1, 3, 3, 2. Now what you have to find the common factor in all the three. 3, 3, 3. 3 is common. Then 5 is remaining here. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. So in all the three, common is 2, 3 and 5. Now let us find the common factor for 15 and 30. So here 5 is remaining, nothing is remaining here. So no common. So common factor for 30 and 90. So here 2 is common. 30 and 90 are written 2. Now common factor for 15 and 19, there is no common factor because 15 is completed, 3 and 5. So uncommon factor, that is only 3 is remaining here. Once again, for 15 and 30, nothing is common because already 3 and 5 is used up in all the 3. Then 30 and 90, there is only one common factor, that is 2. Then again 15 and 90, no common. Uncommon is only 3. So what is our LCM? 3, 5, 2, 3. 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. 5 3 is a 15. 15 to the 30. 33 is a 90. 3 is a 9. 5 to the 10. 10 into 9, 90. So this is your LCM. In this way, you have to find the LCM method by prime factor method. Let me do one more sum. See, when two numbers are given, you have to take only the common number. But when three numbers are given, so you have to take the common factor, then common factor of first and second, common factor of first and third, common factor of second and third. Then you have to take uncommon factor. Let me do one more sum from practice set 13. I'll do the 10th sum, which is 18, 36 and 27. So 18, 36 and 27. So prime factor of 18 is 18 goes in 2 table 9 times, 9 goes in 3 table 3 times, 3 goes in 3 table 1 time. Then 36 goes in 3 table, 3 goes in 3 table 1 time, 6 goes in 3 table 2 times, 12 goes in 2 table 6 times, 6 goes in 2 table 3 times, 3 goes in 3 table 1 time. Then next is 27 goes in 3 table 9 times, 9 goes in 3 table 3 times, 3 goes in 3 table 1 time. So let us write for 18 2 3 3, 2 into 3 into 3. For 36 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. For 27 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 2 2 3 3 2 2. Let us find the first common factor. So you should know the technique. First find the common factor in all the three. Now here 3 3 3. Common in all the three. Again 3 3 3. Common in all the three. And nothing. Now we have to find the common in 18 and 36. So common factor of 18 and 36. What is common in 18 and 36? 2. Only 2. Now there is no common in 18, it is completed. For 18 it is completed, so we will no need of taking it again. Then common factor of 36 and 27. These two. 2, no 2 here. No common factor here. Then common factor for 18 and 27. Already 18 is used up, so there will not get any common. The next is uncommon. So here 2 is not used, 3 is not used. So 2 and 3. So your LCM is multiply all this. 3 3 2 2 3. 3 3 2 2 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 3 is a 27. 27 2 is a 54, and 54 into 2 is 108. Let's check it out. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 3 is 36, and 36 into 3 is 108. So this is your LCM. In this way, you have to find the LCM sums. This is by prime factor method. There is one more method for finding the LCM. So let us learn that method, and that method is called as a vertical arrangement. And let us learn the vertical arrangement. This will be very easy for you to solve. So let us learn that. So let me take a number. We want to find HCF. So find HCF of 60, 12 and 36. So the vertical arrangement method is, you have to write all the numbers. 60, 12, 36. Now you have to find in which table it is divisible. First we'll take 2. 2 3 is 6, 0. Then 12 goes how many times? 6 times. 36 goes how many times? Let's see that. 3 will not go into 2 ones are 2. 1 carry because 3 is there. 16 is 18. Now again we saw that all the 3 are divisible by again 2. So 30, 15 times, 6, 3 times, 18, 9 times. Now this 15, 3 and 9 is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. Let us take 3. So 15 how many times? 5 times. 3 how many times? 1 time. 9 how many times? 3 times. Now 5, 1 and 3 is there. There is no common number which is divisible by any these numbers. There is no common number. So this number 2, 2 and 3 is our HCF. HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12. Now how to find the LCM? LCM is take this common number and these are the uncommon numbers. So LCM is your 2 into 2 into 3. This number I have taken, multiply by this numbers, the remaining numbers, 5 into 3, 5 into 3. That is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 5 is 60, 60 into 3 is 180. So your LCM is 180 and your HCF is 12. That means in this same table, we can find the HCF as well as LCM. Children, there is one more name for HCF. We call this as greatest common divisor, that is GCD. GCD and HCF both are same. Let us do one more number in which we will find both HCF and LCM. Now let us take a number 57, 75 and 102. 57, 75, 102. Commonly in which number it goes? It is not divisible by 2. This is also not divisible by 2. But let us check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. There is a technique for divisible by 3. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 goes in 3. So that means 57 is divisible by 3. 7 plus 5, 12. Again 75 is divisible by 3. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 2 is 3. 102 is also divisible by 3. So I will take 3 here. So 3 ones are 3. 4, 5. 2 is remaining. 2 carry. 27. 27 goes. 9 3 is 27. 75. 3 to the 6. 1 carry. So 1 carry means 15. 15 goes how many times? 5 times. Very good. Then 102. 3 3s are 9. 1 carry. 4 3s are 12. Now our number is 19, 25 and 34. These are the numbers. But from this number, which number is common? There is no common number. That means our HCF is only 3. But what about LCM? Your LCM is 3 multiplied by this 19 into 25 into 34. So let us calculate it. So our answer is, if you multiply this, you will get 48450. This is our LCM. So I think how to find the LCM and HCF, it is clear for you from this vertical arrangement method. Let us do one more sum. Let me take 40, 60 and 75. 40, 60, 75. Commonly these are divisible by 5 table. 40, 60, 75. 8 5s are 40. 12 5s are 60. Then 5 ones are 5. 2 carry. 5 5s are 25. 8, 12 and 15. Now this 8, 12 and 15, commonly it is not divisible by any number. 8 goes in 2 table. 12 goes in 2 table. But 15 doesn't goes in 2 table. 12 and 15 goes in 3 table, but 8 doesn't goes in 3 table. So your HCF is 5. Now, how to find the LCM? For LCM, you have to go further because common number is there. You have to continue this till you should not get any common number, because 8 and 12 goes in 2 table. 4 times 4 to the 8, 6 to the 12, 15 doesn't goes, so write this 15 as it is. Then again 4 and 6 goes in 2 table, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 15 doesn't goes in 2, so write that as it is. Then 3 and 15 goes in 3 table, so 2 doesn't goes in 3 table, write as it is. 3 ones are 3, 5 3s are 15. Now there is no common number, so these are the extra numbers. So your LCM is 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into what is remaining here, 2 into 5, 2 into 5. Now let us calculate 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 10 into 10, 100, 3 to the 6, 6 into 100, 600. So your LCM is 600. So once again, HCF means only the common in all the 3 numbers, but LCM means 3 numbers and 2 numbers. You have to do till there is no common numbers. For more practice, let us do some more sums. Let me do one more sum. 18, 32 and 48. Find HCF and LCM. 18, 32 and 48. Commonly it goes in 2 table. 9 to the 18. 2 ones are 2, 1 carry. 6. 2 to the 4. 8 goes 4 times. Again, common number, there is no common number here. You can see here, there is no common number here in all the 3, because 9 goes in 3 table, 24 goes in 3 table, but 16 doesn't goes in 3 table. 16 and 24 goes in 2 table, but 9 doesn't goes in 2 table. So you got your HCF. Your HCF is only 2. But you want to find your LCM. For finding the LCM, you have to go further, because both of these goes in 2 table. So 9 doesn't go in 2 table, so you have to write as it is. 16 goes 8 times, 24 goes 12 times. Again 8 and 12 goes in 2 table, 9 doesn't goes, so write as it is. The number which doesn't goes, you have to write as it is. 8 goes 4 times, 12 goes 6 times. Again in 2 table, 9 doesn't goes, 4 goes 2 times, 6 goes 3 times. Then 9 and 3 are divisible by 3. So 9 goes, 3 3s are 9. 2 doesn't go in 3 table. What do you have to do? You have to write as it is. And 3 ones are 3. Is there any common now? No, there is no common now. So our remaining number is LCM. HCF is very easy. You have to find only the common in all the 3. But for LCM, you have to find common in 3, common in any 2 also. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. Now let us calculate. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, and what about 32 into 9? Can you tell me how much 32 into 9 is? So the answer is 288. So your LCM is 288. So I hope this is enough for you to clear the doubt. Still we do some more sums so that your doubts will be clear. We'll do some exercise.